Hello, guys, and welcome to Chapter 11, Properties of the Hair and Scalp. You should have received your packets in the mail. If not, they are loaded onto the website. If you guys need to pick them up from school or have them dropped off to you, don't forget to go ahead and call the school ahead of time to have that arranged. Also, you should have turned in Chapter 5 completed so that I can get you guys a grade in the grade book. Okay, so here we go. Chapter 11, Properties of the Hair and Scalp. This is the structure of the hair root. You can see the diagram there so that you know where everything is. It's nicely labeled for you. And we are going to go into each piece of that. And I will give you guys the definitions and some clues on how to remember the different structures of the hair root. So the hair follicle. The tube-like depression or pocket in the skin or scalp that contains the hair root. Sebaceous glands. The oil glands in the skin that are connected to the hair follicles. Arrector pili muscle. The small involuntary, which means you cannot control it, muscle in the base of the hair follicle. This is the muscle that is responsible for goosebumps. Hair root. The part of the hair located below the surface of the epidermis. Dermal papilla. Plural is dermal papillae, a small cone-shaped elevation located at the base of the hair follicle that fits into the hair bulb. Hair shaft. The portion of hair that projects above the epidermis. So that's what we see coming out of the skin. Hair shaft. Also, some people say the hair strand. Hair bulb. Lowest part of a hair strand. The thickened, club-shaped structure that forms the lower part of the hair root. Have you heard the expression, you are what you eat? Although a healthy diet does not always guarantee a healthy hair and scalp, it is mainly true that what you eat will affect your hair and scalp. The body can produce 11 of the 20 amino acids that make up the hair, but your daily diet must include the remaining 9 essential amino acids that the hair and scalp need. This is why crash dieting and anorexia can cause hair loss, lackluster hair, and unhealthy scalp conditions. Proteins in meat, fish, eggs, and dairy products are good sources of these amino acids, as are food combinations such as peanut butter and bread, rice and beans and corn. Structure of the hair shaft. Again, here's another nice little diagram that shows you the 3 parts of the hair. So this is a hair strand coming out of the scalp, and then they have cut it so that you can see the cross section and then obviously magnified it. There are 3 parts of the structure of the hair shaft. Hair cuticle. This is the outermost layer of hair, consisting of a single overlapping layer of transparent scale-like cells that look like shingles on a roof. Cortex. The middle layer of the hair, a fibrous protein core formed by elongated cells containing melanin pigment. So that is where hair gets its color from. The cortex is also the main layer that we deal with as hairdressers. When we are relaxing, that is where the straightening process happens. When we're perming, that's where the permanent curly process happens. And when we color hair, because that's where the melanin is, that's where we create the change in color. We also deal with the cuticle because we have to open up the cuticle in order to get to the cortex. But most of those main physical and chemical changes happen within inside the cortex. Medulla. Innermost layer of the hair that is composed of round cells, often absent in fine and naturally blonde hair. So not everybody has a medulla. Okay, I'll catch you guys in the next video where we will pick up right where we left off here with the structure of hair and continue our lesson on chapter 11. Hope you guys have a good day. Miss you.